Good morning, Cap. Second day. Let's go. Woo! Woke up early. Nag-charge lang ako para meron tayong battery sa paglalakad ulit natin. Ayun. Currently, it's oras na ba? 8 o'clock in the morning. Nag-breakfast kami ng 7. Tapos go na ulit. Second day of trekking. Yeah, let's go. Uy, delete. Delete to after. Sure. Uy, takot. Diyos ko. Ganyan nyo guys. Nakatakot yun ah. Mababa pa lang yun. Malapit lang yun. Katakot na.
Very here.
Here? Cemetery?
Pacha.
Pacha. Oo.
Pacha.
Cemetery nilagay si Tsura ganito. Wala naman kami makita kahit ano. Ayan.
Pacha, go up?
Yeah, Pacha.
Ah, go up.
What pee?
Like my t-shirt, Pacha.
Pacha.
Wow. Ngabititi.
Kauray.
Dito daw, sa isang land, hindi lang rice yung pwede nilang tanim. Nagilatanin din sila ng corn.
This one for sale.
Corn.
Yeah, for sale.
Oh, for sale. Corn, chilies.
Yeah. Oh, no, different. Corn yesterday like another few. For kin.
Okay. Look,
อันนี้ไว้ขาย
white rice.
ไว้
Ay,
ขาย for
white
sale
Oh.
ไว้กิน for eat
Oh, mahabo. Wow.
Oh.
this one you can try.
What's this, P?
They call sabudam in Thai.
Budam?
Sabudam
Sa budam.
in Thai.
Yan, pwede nyo magawa ng babo.
You can try.
Oh.
Oh.
Careful, slowly.
Oh.
Slowly lang blow. Ay.
Oh.
Careful. I mean, slowly lang. Ay,
The pride for the corn, not good for the pride because they don't have not contact farming.
Oh, the corn daw dito is not good kasi contract farming siya. Hindi maganda yung costing ng corn, parang ganun. Mighty, not good. Pero ang dami ditong corn, guys. Tapos kahapon, di ba, kumain kami ng corn. Sobrang sarap.
Tualisong.
Tolisong.
Peanut.
Oh, peanut. Tolisong.
Peanut inside. Tualisong.
Grabe, diba? Lahat nandito, guys. So, hindi na lumalabas talaga yung mga tao nandito sa area nila. Lahat ng need nilang kainin, ginagrow nila dito. King. Tara, Diyosa, oh.
Diyos, ang konti na lang deleted.
True, oh. Malapit na ako ma-delete, guys. Hindi ko alam kung ano pinaglalagay nito ni Kuya sa ulo ko. Kapon pa siya. Sabi niya kanina, kaya niya to kinuha kasi pwede daw siyang gawing herbal sa tea. Tapos binilot-bilot, nilagay sa ulo ko, guys. Di ba? Diyos ang ano. Mga tea ako nito mamaya. Deleted ka. Tanggalin mo.
Clean.
Hindi na ako makakita.
Paano tatanggalin? Naglalakad ka.
Ayan. Sir. Diba? Ganun dapat. Ito yung mga local people na nag-work dito.
เวลาก็เรากินหมดแล้ว เราต้องแบ่งให้คนอื่นทำบุญมาให้เราเลยให้เราเลย
Deleted.
Rapid na to, kunti pa. Ito na yung mga locals na nag-work dito. Silipin namin.
โอ้เอาอันนี้เอาให้เขาเอาให้กินตอนเที่ยงอันนี้เอาให้เขากินตอนเที่ยงขนมระวังอย่าไปต้มข้าวเลย
Mimi. Hanom. Tablu. Tablu. Hi. Ngam tete. Ngam tete. Ngam tete.
นี่พูดไทยได้เมื่อพูดไทยตัวจะแต่เสย
Oh.
ตัวจะแต่เสย
Yan yung mga totoong. Oh, okay.
They don't speak Thai because long time ago they not go to school
Okay.
ไม่ได้เรียนหนังสือ
Mhm.
อยู่แต่บ้านมีข้าวไร่ ของ
Rice field dito siya nag-work. Ito yung mga totoong
one
Karen
year they
tribe.
plant only one time not two time
Chay.
ทำครั้งเดียวนี่อาศัยน้ำฝน not this one they use the water from the rain not from river
Okay. Okay.
from the rain not from river
Okay.
because rain or something why they do like that is protect like a mosquito
Oh,
yeah
okay.
because like her they not have like a spray
Yes,
no sunscreen
yeah.
they can protect yeah
Ito yung nagamit nila for protection. Oo nga naman. Dito.
and then this one is a lunch box they do by like a bamboo yeah
Guys, lunch bag.
lunch box yeah lunch box yeah lunch box yeah
Narap.
lunch box and this one I can show you about when dry yeah or corn yeah they have the fruit or something this one is a mouse trap yeah
Mouse trap?
yeah
Oh.
mouse trap
Mouse trap daw yan, guys. Hindi ko alam paano naging mouse trap yan, pero...
mouse trap yeah when we caught some animal like come to here yeah
Here.
yeah mouse trap
Oh, okay. Galing ng mouse trap nila, guys.
mouse trap
Yeah, mouse trap.
when animal come to here the head gets stuck there
Ah, okay.
and then the people they eat the rat also
Oh,
It's the
okay.
mouth, yeah.
Because rat only eat vegetable here.
No,
yeah.
there's some fruit,
Oh,
some
some
rice,
fruit
uh,
and rice.
some
Oh,
rice
yeah,
or something
okay.
there.
Is mouse here big? No.
No, not too big. Tree.
Ah, okay.
Wala. Wala na. Ito, rice field.
Gulat ako, takot ako. Makita ko daga dito. Laki. Nako. Galing.
Only 1 year. When
One
they,
year.
When they start
They startอกหัก If your boyfriend not like you, you can make him.
Oh, okay.
Sorry. อกหัก Stop. Yeah.
Wow.
Nagsakal.
Sakaling kita. Ito na. Ito na kami. Ito niya. Nasa loob na ito ng kagubatan, guys. Let's go. Ninyo, kita niyo.
อ๋อไม่ใช่ อันนี้ที่ไม่เห็นแท้คุณต้องใส่แว่น
Oh, ayan na. Ayan na. Oh, nasa loob ka na ng gubat, guys.
ไม่เห็น
Ay! Oh, shit. Isipal madulas.
อันนี้ก็ยาอันนี้ยาฆ่าเหาthis one is called medicine but smell really bad it's a long time ago like the kid yeah not clean not shower they have light in the house so they do like
Okay. Para sa mga kuto, wisa, galing.
that. Around here they have many herbal
Yeah.
medicine
Yeah, very nice.
Chili.
เผ็ดมาก
Pet Mark.
ๆเผ็ดมาก
Ano pa? Sa gitna kami ng bundok. Meron.
เวลา if you eat chili and then toilet everywhere reproduction.
Talaga? Ano pala yun? Wow. Gaban. Gaban Pina.
จะเอาไปกินไว้ตำน้ำพริกตอนเย็น
Kin.
ไว้กิน
Lunchtime.
ไม่มีอะไรกิน กินแต่พริก
Wow.
โอ้สวยมากต้นไผ่สวยมากออเรนจ์คันเลย
Orange color na bamboo. Guys.
สวยมาก
สวยมากปืน
Oh,
Yeah, they get a first. Make for fire. Yeah, bring back home fire for cook. Yeah.
Nilidadala na daw nila to sa bahay nila para gumawa ng fire. Katulad ng ginawa namin kagabi. Kasi wala na, hindi na siya patay na. Ay, sorry.
siya.
Wala pala. Tayo punta, Pi.
Hindi yan delete. Nawala naman.
Oo nga. Tayo punta.
Là băng hóa.
Takot naman to.
Hóa. My your head.
Okay. Careful with your head.
My your head. My your head.
Struggle here.
Pag maliit talaga, mahirap.
Ay, kasi nila ma'am to.
Oo. Ma, kaya mo ba ito? Kung hirap na hirap, ma. Okay. Wow. Yung dinadaanan namin, hindi ko alam kung pwede tao dito. Seryoso. Ay ko. Pero may pathway, meaning pwede talaga siya. I mean, daanan talaga nila to.
Tumumba lang yung bamboo.
Oo. Sko. Reko. Ito yung nadaan namin bangin lang. Ligaw na kami dito pag wala kami kasama. Katakot.
Gusto natin to, di ba?
Olive tree, oh. Guys, panis. Dito meron.
ถ้าใครเล่นชูนี่นะเวลาตายไปได้ปีนต้นนี้ You understand?
No.
This one? Like a Thai, like a Buddhist, yeah.
Oh.
If you have your wife, your husband, when you are cheating,
Oh.
when you die, you can climb up this tree.
Oh.
Not cheating.
Cheating in Thai, เล่นชู yeah.
Lenshu.
เล่นชู
Cheating in the Lenshu. Lenshu may die.
My God.
May di. ใช่ Lenshu. Narinig niya na. Kasi
It's a long time ago, lah.
Nakain silang romit.
When they go to the toilet, they go everywhere. Yeah. But right now, every house we have a toilet like that.
Mm.
Better
Mm.
for healthy. Protect for the worm.
Mm. Merong upuan dito. Village na nga to guys. Tignan nyo. May upuan. Kita nyo ba? Yun o. May resting place. Resting place. Masama yun ah. Resting place mali pala. Meron dito. A place where you can rest for a little bit. Yeah. Bangin. Bangin yan guys.
Bawat madilit, malalim.
Yeah. Konting pagkakamali deleted. Save ko lang ulit. Save kasi ako battery mamaya ulit.
Come out from the ground. Yeah. Because they sweet.
Oh.
And smell. Home and one.
Okay.
Yeah, yesterday we tried, right?
Yeah.
Yesterday
We try bamboo.
we
They
tried
boil the bamboo.
Oh, yeah.
Mm.
Yeah.
Mas gusto daw ng mga buffalo ng mga yung baby na bamboo. Kasi matamis daw yung amoy tsaka yung lasa with them. Saan isa? Layo. Scary. Guys, sobrang pababa siya, nakakatakot.
Dilit ka sa ginagawa mo.
Nakakatakot eh. Super pababa siya. Mamaya na lang ulit ha, baka madilit ako eh. Puro green dito guys, wala kang makikitang dried or what. Sobrang healthy ng lugar. Grabe. Sobrang ganda. Wish ko sana madala ko sila mama dito, pero ako hirap na hirap. So, hindi siya possible. Sobrang hirap nung hike. Nakakatakot. As in. Kaya nga hindi ako nakapag-vlog kanina kasi baka malaglag ako sa bangin guys. Ni, diba? Grabe, oh. Wow. Ayan nyo guys. Pero, hindi daw pwedeng kainin. Color black siya. Itsura niya parang sitaw. Eh. Hindi pala. Ang tawag doon. Ito yun. Beans. Color black siya. Guys, alam nyo dito, madaming nagtitrek dito. Pero ni isang kalat, wala ka makikita. Grabe. As in. Tapos yesterday, habang naglalakad kami, nakita si Pinang, si kuya ng bottle water. Kinuha niya yung plastic. Grabe, sobrang ng mga tao dito. Malinis. Ay, oh, look, kalabaw.
Kalabaw.
Hello.
May tayo.
Oh. Hello.
Para silang tali, mahal.
Wadi chow. Wadi chow.
Sige, pag hindi tinira kanya, para silang tali ka.
Hindi mo pwede yan? Hindi. Mabilis ba yan?
Oo.
Okay. Hello. Mabilis pala. Ulit.
Dilited ka.
Hindi nga ako na-delete dun sa trek. Na-delete naman ako dyan. Wala silang tali. Malaya sila dito guys. May bubong na dito, guys. Guys, may bubong na. Pero feeling ko hindi pa dito. Male swimming pool pa niya. Waiting for the elephant. Uy, nakagrab yung elephant na
inaantay ng elephant. Napaka-cute niya. Pero medyo, maselan siya sa sound. Tapos ayaw niya may lumalapit na dogs, na cow, and all. Ano yun? Almost 2 kaing ng saging yung pinakain namin sa kanya. By this time, actually, hindi ko alam bakit parang ang bilis nito. Bigla na lang, siguro naka-timelapse siya, pero sobrang tagal namin siyang pinakain, and feeling ko hindi pa rin enough yung food na kinakain niya dito, and trying to pet her dito eh.
Nước mặn rồi xí kia là nếu lo bếp đừng kéo o hả này kéo không kinh dớt không kinh dớt không kinh dớtเขาใช้พลังงานมากเขาใช้พลังงานมากเราจะได้เดินตามเขา
นี่ฉันนี่นี่นี่นี่นี่ช่างอ๋อ
Huwag ka sa unahan niya, huwag ka sa
Hello Hello Parang lapit namin pinakain namin. Chang.
Chang kín dớt, tua dày.
Dày. Namkin.
Kín dớt, tua dày. Nồi ini mấy một kín hả?
Nala.
Niya guys. Lalaman mo na matanda na siya kasi tingnan niya yung wala na siyang masang balahibo sa bundok. Wala daw siyang baby. Nag-wander siya mag-isa.
Loner siya.
Loner yarn. Kin.
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 กินแต่ใบอันไหนที่กินได้กินใบทั้งก้านกินหมด
อร่อยไหม อร่อยไหม
อ๋อนี่ผสมนะกินแบบนี้กินได้ตลอดMana lah? Sana kan bola? Kesini, sana kan lah? Kín một
Ai. Kínเยอะๆกินเยอะ Ito lang kami, sinusundan lang namin siya. Kasi nag-ano siya, mukbang. Mukbang yarn. Mukbang. After namin siya pinakain ng sobrang daming saging. Still hungry. Another Catholic church dito, tapos dun yung school. Diba? Wow. Dito medyo magaganda na yung bahay, mga modern na siya, malalaki pati. Yung unang village na pinuntahan namin, hindi siya masyadong malaki. Diba? Nakita niyo. Ito medyo malalaki, tas meron ng mga bato-bato, ganun, mas okay na siya. This village is called Pakaulam.
Pakaulam village.
มีโรงเรียน
มีอนามัย
They have school, they have church,
health center.
health center. Oh,
Right.
wow. Oh, ni.
Like for the basic, but not for operation. Yeah. When you has egg, okay, paracetamol or something, a little hurt, okay,
okay,
antiseptic alcohol.
Yeah.
But no
Hospital?
yeah, no
Okay.
hospital.
Pero meron
Basic health center.
parang ano,
Oh,
health center.
หมูตัวใหญ่มาก
Oo. Yeah.
ๆโอ้ตัวใหญ่มาก
Yan. Mo.
ๆตัวใหญ่
Yan.
โอ้น้ำหนักเกือบ200-300 กิโล
200.
ทางนี้